What happened to the world's most famous landmarks? Imagine a world without the Eiffel Tower, the Empire State Building, or the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center. These structures have not only defined city skylines but also stood as symbols of human ambition, resilience, and transformation. But what happens when time, tragedy, or change alters their fate? In this video, we explore the stories behind these iconic landmarks and how they've evolved, or disappeared, over the years. 1. Eiffel Tower. From controversy to icon. When the Eiffel Tower was completed in 1889, it stood as the tallest man-made structure in the world at 984 feet. However, its modern industrial design clashed with Paris's classical architecture, leading to significant criticism. Many Parisians thought it was an eyesore. Yet, over time, it became a beloved symbol of France. Standing at 330 meters, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world until 1929, when surpassed by New York's Chrysler Building. Today, it attracts millions of visitors annually and serves as a hub for scientific research and telecommunications. Constructed from wrought iron, it consists of 18,038 metal parts connected by 2.5 million rivets and weighs 10,100 tons. Initially expected to last only 20 years, the tower was preserved due to its scientific and military use, notably in early wireless transmission experiments. Today, it serves both as a significant tourist attraction, with multiple dining and observation levels, and a key antenna for TV transmissions in the Paris region. 2. Architectural Digest. Empire State Building. Resilience amidst the Great Depression. Completed in 1931 during the Great Depression, the Empire State Building faced early challenges. Dubbed the empty state building, due to high vacancy rates, it struggled financially. However, its observation deck became a popular tourist attraction, helping it survive economically. Today, it stands as a testament to architectural innovation and resilience. The Empire State Building, inaugurated on May 1, 1931, by Franklin D. Roosevelt, stands as an iconic symbol of vision and faith amid the Great Depression's economic struggles. Initially dubbed the empty state building, due to its high vacancy rates, it struggled to attract tenants for over a decade. Despite this, its observation deck drew significant tourist revenue, helping it survive financially. Promotional efforts and a cameo in the 1933 film, King Kong, solidified its status as a national icon. The building only became profitable after World War II. Today, despite challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic and shifts in work patterns, its management remains optimistic about its future, highlighting the building's resilience and evolving strategies to attract tenants with energy efficiency and health initiatives. 3. World Trade Center, Tragedy and Rebirth. The original World Trade Center, comprising Twin Towers, was completed in 1970. At the time, it was the tallest building in the world. Tragically, on September 11, 2001, both towers were destroyed in a terrorist attack, resulting in nearly 2,800 deaths. In their place now stands One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, symbolizing strength and renewal. The original World Trade Center, comprising Twin Towers, was completed in 1970. At the time, it was the tallest building in the world. Tragically, on September 11, 2001, both towers were destroyed in a terrorist attack, resulting in nearly 2,800 deaths. In their place now stands One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, symbolizing strength and renewal. 4. Palace of Fine Arts. From exposition to cultural landmark. Built for the 1915 Panama Pacific International Exposition in San Francisco, the Palace of Fine Arts was initially intended as a temporary structure. However, its classical architecture and serene setting led to its preservation. Today, it serves as a venue for arts and culture, hosting exhibitions and performances. Built for the 1915 Panama Pacific International Exposition in San Francisco, the Palace of Fine Arts was initially intended as a temporary structure. However, its classical architecture and serene setting led to its preservation. Today, it serves as a venue for arts and culture, hosting exhibitions and performances. These landmarks have witnessed history, faced challenges, and adapted to change. Their stories remind us of the enduring nature of human creativity and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more epic travel adventures.